Hello, welcome to my channel GMZone, and what I'm about to reveal to you is the truth. I'm going to tell you guys the truth all about Flowextra. Is Flowextra legit or scam? Is it real or fake? I'm going to tell you the truth you need to know about this Flowextra, and which I must tell you that Flowextra is 100% legit. I will show you guys the reason why it's 100% legit, and also I will tell you the reason why you don't have to register under Flowextra, and which the reason why is that Flowextra, without you referring, there is no money coming to you. And I'm going to show you the reason why it's like that. There is one of the promoter of Flowextra that really showed me the truth, and which I'm going to tell you the truth today. Flowextra is 100% legit, and also Flowextra pay people. Yeah, it pays its promoters, yeah, people that comment, people that do sponsor post, and so on and so forth. But know that Flowextra will not pay you if you do not refer. If you know that you can refer into Flowextra, there's another name that they call them now. Like, there's a name for it now. We call it review cable, yeah, reviewcable.com. But normally the name Flowextra still stands as Flowextra. But know that if you are registering under Flowextra at the sum of 3,000 naira, I know that you cannot refer. You cannot make people to come under Flowextra. Forget it. No money is coming for you. Yes, know that for sure. And after this, I'm going to show you guys the reason why Flowextra is 100% legit, and also why Flowextra is not going to pay you if you do not refer. They are not going to pay you no matter what. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys right now after this. What you need to know about Flowextra. Let me now tell you the reason why Flowextra is 100% legit. This is the reason why. I am going to show you let me show you scam advisor. Let me copy this. This is a link. Scam advisor. It is 100% legit. 100% legit. So I have copied the link. So just move it here, then search for it. So you can see it. Likely to be legit. Trust rating is high. The trust is very high. 100%. But let me say for example gtbank.com, so that I can know that I am not lying. Like, is the truth. You need to know gtbank.com. Then you're going to search it. Then you can see it. That one is said likely, but this one is saying high trust rating. The site looks safe to use. You can see that. But it's the same thing, 100%. So you check of Binance. Let us check Binance. Binance is a father. Likely, he said likely to for Binance. Likely to be legit. Trust rating is high. So it's the same thing as this Binance. The comments from the Binance is the same thing as Flowextra, which is the reviewcable.com, because they've seen the website. That is one legit way that, it's 100% legit for Flowextra. And like, they have this Telegram group sponsored. You can see it. It's very, very legit. Very legit. These are some reasons you have to look at. And it's been since 2020 March. Then Facebook, go to Facebook. Just search Flowextra. All these people sending all this. There are people that have referred a lot of people. Don't think that Flowextra just pay them. And one thing you know about Flowextra too, don't think the money you make is what they are going to pay you. No. They decide for the amount you are to be paid for. You understand? They decide the amount, not that you be thinking that the money you've worked for, so maybe you've gotten about 100 and you think Flowextra is going to pay you. They can decide to pay you 200 and even also decide to pay you. They decide to pay you any amount at all. So that is what you just need to know. And again, so I've shown you Facebook, I've shown you Telegram, and this is the guy that messaged me on the guy that messaged up on WhatsApp on how to start the process of Flowextra. How much to get started with Flowextra? I said 3K, and he said quick breakdown on how Flowextra works. Sign up bonus 2,000 daily 300 is true. Click and comment 30 years. Refer 15. If you refer someone, you are going to get 15. Spin and win, yeah, it's true. Quick, true. Registration 2000 years as usual. Why I registered the other time. 100 on every transaction of withdrawal. Can be true because I've not yet got any payments. Not because of that. Like, I'm just telling you guys the true fact because I've known the true fact about Flowextra now. And the earning gets paid anytime, any day with a minimum of 4,500 referral earning, which you don't have to worry about because it's not compulsory. Then one thing you need to know, there's something the guy said here. He said one thing, without referral. There's some people that said without referral, if you see any message they are telling that like FAE gets paid every month with a minimum of 20,000 FAE points, which is equal to 10,000 plus, and I have about 50 something plus. And you know, the most important part is that I don't want you guys to know is that Flowextra, without you referring, there is no how you are going to make it on Flowextra. Forget it. There's no how you can make it on Flowextra. There's no how you can make it on Flowextra. That's one thing I just want you to understand. That is just one thing I want you to understand. And let me show you my dashboard on Flowextra, so you see by yourself. You see it by yourself. They said minimum withdrawal is 20. They said 20 FAE, right? So let me now show you. I have more than 20. Well, how much is here? 55,780, and I have not been paid yet. 0,000,000. I have not referred anyone. I didn't even have referred about 5 persons now. Flowextra will really pay me. And this FAE used to be available at the end of the month. Yeah, the last day of the month. And if you want the link if you are in Flowextra already and you want the link in order to be promoting Flowextra, you can get it below. I will give it to you. If you want it, I will give it to you. It's below. I'm going to put it below the video. The video you need to be promoting Flowextra. The video you need to be promoting or to just be advertising in order to get referrals. I will give you the link. It's below this video. So that's just all you just need to understand about Flowextra before going to it and what you need to know. So thank you. Bye. Know about Flowextra. You've been able to have the knowledge of Flowextra. You've been able to know that Flowextra is 100% legit, and also you know that Flowextra, without you referring, there is no money coming for you, no income at all. Forget it, no income, no matter what. But let me tell you, if you know you cannot refer, like you cannot make people to come in, you just be showing them money that have not been paid to you of other person. You should be showing them other person's testimony. And once you show them other person's testimony, the person is going to be confused, and it's not even paid though. You are not the one being paid though. You understand? So if you know you cannot, it's just better for you not just to stress yourself and waste your 3K. You understand? If you know you cannot refer, but if you know you can refer, you can go to Flowextra. Yes, it's advisable to go to Flowextra. If you know you can refer, you can like just confuse people in order to join Flowextra, even without you getting paid yet. So I am going to introduce this one of the best business to you, which is called AI mining. If you really want to know more about AI mining, it's really paying very, very well. It's a future investment, best that is going to be the best in Nigeria. If you want to really know about AI mining, you can message me up, message me on WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye.